Welcome to MarineMax Huntington. Today we're going to walk through Sea Ray's all-new redesigned 19 SPX outboard. Starting off the transom, we have Mercury's 150 horsepower, a ski pole, sea deck, the dune interior package with the water sports tower. Moving forward into the boat, you see now it has a starboard walker design, very spacious entry. Access to all your storage with the outboard. Ton of room in here. Seat faces forward and faces aft. Simrad GPS strong glider, fusion stereo, and moving forward up to the bow, you see we put the bow filler cushion in, which also has a backrest, so now you can sit a couple adults or a bunch of children up here. Come check this boat out. MarineMax Huntington, 631-956-4865.